Hello, everybody, and welcome back. How do you do today? I do well. Oh, right, I completely forgot to ask you. Will, you want to come over tomorrow?
Yeah, sure.
Cool, we're going to go shopping.
As always.
Yes, but we have a shopping list for my mother, also, to actually go shopping for. Alright, I'm back. What'd I miss?
I'm
You're
the favorite.
1,000 feet away?
Yep.
How fast did you dig?
I was just moving around through the cave. Oh, wait, no, I also found a minecart. And was able to go through that. There's so many dart traps around here.
Vroom. Not to fear. Brendan is here.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, no, I don't want to get lizarded.
I'm coming. Ah! Ah! There's a lot of things up there.
Run from the lizards.
There's a lot of things up there.
I wish I knew where Mikey was.
You should go up to his house and knock on his door.
Hello, sir. Would you like to talk about Jesus Christ?
I mean, I would do that if I lived that close to him.
I do live literally, like, right next door, don't I?
You really do. Stuff!
Yeah, I can't move. There's a keg. Alright, I'll tell you what's in here. Oh, cool, an extractinator. Some more dynamite.
Oh, do you want to go mining for more slush then? In the slush mine?
The slush mine is my favorite thing. There's a scary enemy above me. I have 2 stacks of torches. I'm getting rid of one.
I need that! Give me it! Give me it!
Okay, here. Oh, nope. Got it. Jesus.
Was there anything else in there?
There's some explosives a little bit over there.
Yeah. Oh, wait. What? I'll torch you, dig.
Where's my sword? That's a knife.
Oh, that's a lot of piranhas in there! There's a lot of piranhas over here, my friend.
1 and 2 and 3, and let's move.
Oh, heart crystal. You can have it. I think I have a little bit more health than you.
Nah, you don't. Here.
What are you at?
Like 40.
340? Okay, no I don't.
I use the Spelunky potion. I've been finding them. Alright, you do that while I dig.
All threats have been eliminated.
Excellent. I always forget enemies drop a lot more money on this difficulty. Is that water? Would you look at that?
Oh, piranhas, run!
Huh. Oh, that skeleton can do a ton of damage. Don't let him get off his range attack. My danger sense potion is about to run out. Oh, there's a slime there. I didn't even see it.
Ah! Need health, need health, need health. Is that a jellyfish?
Yeah, guarding a chest.
Not anymore. Not anymore. Recall potions. Teleportation potion. Gravitation potion. Healing. Flaming arrows, silver bars, jester's arrows, and a flipper. And I want that chest.
Get that heart crystal.
Wait, did I get it?
No, it's to your right. Spelunker potions are a godsend.
They really are.
There's also Spelunker glow sticks, which you can buy from someone. I've never actually used them myself.
Okay, the ancient gold crown is not cooler than the top hat.
Ancient gold crown or ancient gold helmet?
Crown.
Dang, I gotta see that.
It really doesn't look that great. Oh, it is a helmet. I'm sorry. Yeah. My bad. Is that dynamite? Oh, there is a lot of ore here. And dynamite, but no way to light it off.
Don't die, Brondane.
Sorry, it's just a worm.
I should get the mining helmet.
You want to come help me get this lead with some explosives?
No, not really. Because lead really isn't great. We're past the point of lead.
Oh! Oh! What is going on? I almost just landed in lava. Alright, I'm coming to you then. There's a lizard!
Run.
Were you taking up?
Yes.
Why?
Because there's lava below us, I don't feel like going there yet.
If you want, I can use the potion of randomness.
The potion of randomosity, like what?
It's, the teleportation potion.
I want to get a few more heart crystals for us.
Oh, the teleportation potion not teleport you randomly underground too?
It does, but like, if we're gonna go on a separate adventure, we may as well wait until we're done getting some health. What
is this background?
It's like a unique little biome. I don't really know what to tell you.
No, there was stuff there! I want it, I want it.
Piss off, bat!
It's tin. Never mind.
I got tin, my favorite.
It looks like there might be something else. Stone. Oh.
You're dying from the...
Fine. Ooh, stuffs.
There's like nothing... Oh, there's a sapphire, those are good, but like... I don't see any heart crystals currently. Oh boy, my controls are reversed because of the friggin' feral bite. Oh, they're back to normal. I love that friggin' debuff. It lasts for a minute and it gives you random debuffs.
You think we would mine faster, but I'm not sure if we am. How about I take left, you take right?
There we go. Dang it.
Oh no.
Get the chest. What's in it?
Recall Danger sense, gravitation, healing, throwing knives, silver bars, jester's arrows, and a magic mirror.
Oh, salamander, he's in. I'm freaking blind. Axe. He's dead. We've slayed the beast.
Oh man, that was brutal. Well, actually, he didn't really do that much damage to me, but I think it's because he was hitting you.
Yeah. Hey, look, more lava. Hey, look, the skeleton merchant.
A merchant?
Talk to him. He's like standing right behind me. Look.
Got any spare bones for sale? I'm looking to replace my broken hip again. Rope, bombs, counterweight, wooden arrow. Nah, there's nothing really great, but I will sell some stuff.
Oh, I have 4 danger sense potions. Thank you.
Oh, should I be drinking those?
They do tell you what is nearby and very scary, so
Do you want an ancient gold helmet?
sure. Thank you.
Platinum ore sells for a lot.
I have found a ton of rubies, and I'm very happy about that. We really are giving amazing commentary here, I must say.
I know, right?
We got to come up with, like, you know, some
A
kind of
storyline.
conversation.
But I really can't talk at the same time as I play video games. I'm not sure if anybody's been able to tell.
I can, but I need, like, a subject to talk about. But, like, you know, you try and think of a subject to talk about, and it's like, wow, do we even, like, live in the United States of America?
Do we?
Where everything happens?
Do we?
I think so.
I know we live somewhere in the universe.
It's tough to tell sometimes.
Somewhere in the universe, probably the Milky Way galaxy.
Oh, look, water.
Most likely the Alpha Quadrant.
At least we're not in the Beta Quadrant.
Yeah, fuck that place. Goddamn Klingons. Wait, are Klingons in the Beta Quadrant? I don't remember.
I don't know, I don't watch Star Trek.
This seems like a terrible idea.
It's alright, if we need some air, we'll just dig upwards and breathe like this. I can't move. There we go.
I'm assuming you're doing the control mining, so I'm just
Yeah, I am. Hang on.
so I'm just mining the bottom to make it go a little faster.
There's a grand total of nothing up ahead, by the way. I'm just digging until I see something. Seems like we've had a bit of a cave. Not really. Just a little hole. I see some light all the way to the right.
Yeah, I see it too.
It's a jellyfish. God dang it. There is a heart crystal, though. Finally. So you know this potion won't be a complete waste.
What kind of pickaxe do you have?
Copper.
Okay. So you know what we should do? I should be doing the control mining while you do the bottom. Because I have a silver. And I need oxygen.
Got eyes.
Alright, you do the bottom, I'll just do the control.
I'm just gonna keep continuing doing the control because it's the same thing. We do go faster, but like it's only worth it to do individual blocks if like we're going down. Jesus.
Well, no, that's what I've been doing. I've just been mining like the bottom strand while you mine the other two because you're doing the control. It'd be the most efficient if we had 3 people. Yeah, let's get out of the water, please.
Why is there like nothing anymore? 30 seconds left on this potion. Okay, I need a torch because...
Start mining quickly before I fill up the entire cave.
Jesus. God dang it. Smart person, not so smart. But apparently I can't mine up there. Cool.
Why are you trying to mine up?
I'm gonna go up an angle.
Ooh, wait, I see a dart trap.
I do too. I see explosives as well. Wait a minute. Shine potion. Final Spelunker potion.
I hear something angry.
Yeah, we're near a granite biome.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Brondain, no.
I'm okay.
It's not okay.
It's all okay. Oh, there's a boulder down there. I'm coming to your backup. What is that thing?
It's a granite elemental.
Nice hit. Did you one hit it? Oh.
No, it goes into like a defensive form in expert mode, where it just becomes immune to everything. There's 2 mother slimes coming up behind you.
It's alright. I can handle it.
They turn into a litter of like baby slimes once you kill them.
There's a boulder down there.
Yeah, but I don't really care about that.
And a jellyfish that's glowing. What am I doing? Why am I doing that to myself? Ooh! Stuff! I like stuff.
Dynamite, 3 potions, archery potions, and Hermes boots. Basically useless.
Damn.
I should have been using dynamite all this time. You know what's not useless? Let's blow this up and yeah, it's a gem biome. Watch this. Emeralds and amethysts and tigers. Oh my!
What's this? An obsidian biome?
It's a granite biome.
Ow!
That was a lot of silt.
It's in there a boulder. Do you get stuff out of the background too?
I don't think so, but I'll try and blow up this part, and I'll tell you what happens.
No, you don't. Or maybe you get a couple.
When Dark Souls Remastered goes on sale, you gotta buy that, and then we should record that together. Because Dark Souls Remastered, first off, the first game is the best one, and what is it? I forced you to buy it on. Oh boy, we get to go back to spawn now. Also, there's a friggin' thing here.
A lot of piranhas, a lot of piranhas, a lot of piranhas.
Oh, that is a lot of piranhas. A good observation, Brendan. You get a gold star. Oh my! What?
Yeah, I'm out of it.
Oh my god. And that amounted to a grand total of 5 silver and a used condom.
Yeah, do you want to head back to spawn now? That way we don't get eyed.
We may as well. Jesus. And we're a bit more well prepared now.
Bit more well prepared. The only thing that's changed since the beginning of the entire thing is I got a silver broadsword.
You also have more health.
That is true.
I'm gonna use the boomerang. I don't know what the hell you're talking about. Screw the sword. I am not getting close enough to that thing for it to hit me.
I don't know, I might use Jester's arrows.
Oh, by the way, the loot is,
Wait, I can make a better bow!
The loot from bosses is client side. So, like, on my end, a little loot bag will drop, and on your end, a little loot bag will drop for you. And, like, there won't just be 2. It'll be, like, you know, 1 for each of us.
Hold on, I'm crafting. Distracted.
Well, you know what? The friggin' boss doesn't care if it... Plus, he's on you, so... Oh, no, there he is. Hang on. Quick
you know, I just want to make a bow.
My money's deposited. I'm leading him over here now.
No, he's pissed me off. I'm going after him. Where is he?
He's over here. There's so many servants of Cthulhu's. Servants of Cthulhu, whatever. I should really take out my friggin' sword if I still have it. I do, thank God.
You can come back here, you know. As I'm doing 3 damage. Alright, you gotta help me make a bow after this.
We are taking a lot of damage. What we gotta stay like near the campfire, unless we want to like move it. Those things only have 12 health, which is, you know, double what they have on normal, which is 6.
Can they kill our guys?
Yeah. Our guys can also defend themselves. If like the eye flies into their room, they'll like use a weapon on them. But I have a really bad itch. How do you do? That cobalt shield is really helping you there. Okay, this one. Oh, when it gets to half health, it has a unique attack pattern for expert mode. Ouch.
Alright, he left for half a minute. Good.
Wait, the nurse! The nurse is here! Oh, come here, come here! I am healed! At the cost of money!
Money. See, I've brought the cavalry.
The night is like half over and we've not even done half this thing's stupid fucking health.
Is that enough campfires for you?
Oh my god! Alright, so we have a decent space to fight him. I am switching out my dynamite for my sword because I don't want to accidentally just bomb this platform. Go get healed, go get healed!
I'm alright.
No, you're not.
Fine.
Go to the nurse.
Yeah, I had a actually decent, I had a pretty decent healing potion actually.
The nurse costs like a silver.
And the healing potion was free.
Piss off, you friggin' Cthulhu.
Ah!
Gotta heal. Oh no.
Ah!
Alright, it doesn't spawn those things anymore, but
Now it angrily attacks.
yeah, it does a lot more damage and it's really angry now.
We're gonna boomerang this thing to death.
We may as well, it's our best friggin' strategy.
We really need to, like, get any other kind of weapon that's decent.
Something's wrong with us, because we have not gotten, like, any good weapons.
My boomerang does more. What is happening?
That's the unique attack for expert mode.
Alright, I'm gonna move away for a second and heal. Oh, man!
I'm healed. Where are you?
Oh man! Help me!
Did you use a friggin' like potion of like ascension?
Yeah. It's an even playing field now!
I'm sending in the cavalry.
A magic missile will be very tasty right now. I'm back.
The cavalry! Brandon, don't
Oh no,
die.
I'm out of here, man!
Go. You should go get healed.
Okay, I took another potion, I'm back.
I'm out of here, man.
This is the best potion ever, I love it.
Stop charging us, you stupid piece of garbage.
Oh! I'm out of here. I'm just gonna snipe from up here.
It's dead.
Oh. That was fantastic.
That was totally wicked. Okay, I'm gonna heal.
There's so many slimes! Help! I might actually die! Oh my god!
Why is
They're
slime falling
raining
from the sky?
down.
Why are there 2 events in a row? There's so many.
Oh my god!
We didn't even get a chance to open our little backpacks.
Please have a weapon in here.
Come on, let's move. You should heal the nurse, dude.
So right, I have potions for this. Oh. Okay, can we just close the doors?
Go ahead. Just close the doors. Jesus.
Oh man. Alright, what's in this bag? How do I open it?
Right click on it when it's in your, when you're hovering over it.
I got a Rash Shield of Cthulhu. 35 melee damage?
It's an accessory, by the way.
Oh. Okay. Okay. I have to find something to replace. Oh no.
Shipped the traveling merchant is here. He's gonna get destroyed by slimes.
Oh man. I don't want to
Shooting
get.
at them.
Oh my god, I don't want to get rid of my Cobalt Shield, but this Rash Shield of Cthulhu is so awesome.
Don't get rid of the cobalt shield. What do you have?
Rash Shield of Cthulhu does 35 melee damage.
I meant like, what do you have equipped as your accessories? Like, what are you considering?
Hold on. I'm gonna help this guy get in.
Why is my only question. We can kill him for a nice hat. There's so many slimes! Alright, he is selling the tiger skin, the zebra skin, the life form analyzer, the katana, which I am currently going to buy. A lazy katana. Hang yourself. Glorious Nippon steel. So many slides. That was so funny. Okay, I have an actual weapon now for combat.
I'm just gonna leave with the accessories I have, actually.
Okay, I'm gonna deposit my money.
Alright, I also got 2 corrupt seeds, and I think that was it.
Yeah, go ahead and like sell the corrupt seeds because they're not like worth keeping.
Okay, nurse, hatchet, move out of the way. I'm trying to shop here. Or I'm not. Okay, closing the door again.
We should probably put up those banners. Here. There we go.
Okay. Extendo Grippo. Can you...
The pinky.
Red team platform. Red team block. Katana.
I recommend the katana, that's really good. The friggin' dryad is here.
Can I have some help on this side?
I was busy massacring the other side, but yeah.
I'm like trying to trade. Oh, you left the door open on the other side. Oh man.
How'd I get through? He's still trying to trade?
Yeah.
Here, I'll close that.
Alright. Going down. Time to trick out my room a little bit more.
Alright, I'll stay up here and fight the slimes. Oh. Cool.
You okay?
No, did you see what happened?
No.
King Slime.
Oh! 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 Alright, I am going to equip the Rash Shield of Cthulhu.
He's on me! I think he's immune to the friggin' shield, like, stun thing. Attack.
Yeah, but does 35 damage.
The nurse is literally in the friggin' middle of all this. I can't even talk to her. I took a potion. Come here, Jenna. Heal.
Oh, he died. Oh, no, he didn't.
No, he didn't. Nah, he's very much still on.
Then where did that other crowd come from?
When he teleports, he loses the crown, but then he regains it at his newest spot. He did it, Brontain. He defeated 150.
Oh. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. Nice tiger skin.
I have too much stuff. I need help.
Oh, thank God.
Okay, I need to go deposit in a chest now. Please. Can I have a moment? Oh, there's more stuff over here. Ninja Hood. Royal Gel.
I actually ran away from my own loot. Yeah, go ahead and open your bag. You got some stuff.
I have 58 Demon Door.
You have what?
58 Demon Ore.
Demonite ore?
Yep.
Oh, neat.
I'm trying to find some stuff to sell to open up my inventory, and I'm struggling. Alright. Now that I have space in my inventory again, let's see what else I got. And instead I gotta show me where it hurts icon. I got Royal Gel, a Solidifier, a Slime Gun, a Night Ninja Hood, and a ninja shirt. I think that's it. But I got a Solidifier. Wonder if that's anything interesting.
Basically, if you have gel, you can turn it into blocks by just standing near it.
Can I open the door?
No. because you put it right behind the door.
Oh, well, whatever. Slime block. Can I craft backwards too?
Don't think. Maybe?
Whatever. Let's see if I can move that over slightly. Dude, I'm trying to close the door. Can you move out of the way? Okay. Nope. Alright.
Do you have any silt or slush?
All of it. Hold on.
Where's the dye trader? There he is.
I swear I had stacks upon stacks of silt. Really? Alright, I got 20 slush. The slush is in my inventory.
Okay.
Hold on. And slush, 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 slush. Nope. Can I not place this while does this be placed on a ceiling or something?
What?
Banners?
Yeah, it's hanging off a block.
Oh. Okay. You got any good ores from that?
I got a bit of gold and platinum, which I'll probably smelt down right now.
Large amethyst. For capture the gem, it drops when you die. Oh, so like capture the flag?
Yeah, it's a PvP game mode. I have no idea how to do it.
19 Demonite ore. Oh. Demonite ore is tasty. War Axe of the Night? Excuse me?
Yep.
Fisher of Souls? Oh, I forgot how cool the silver helmet looks. And now I can craft a silver bow. What was I missing? Oh. Silver. Alright, cool.
Are there ducks below me? There's a duck.
Murgler him.
Wait. Have you ever heard the secret voice line from the duck?
No.
If you're standing near it and you don't disturb it for long enough, there's a small chance that it'll have a unique voice line. You'll know it when you hear it.
What do you say?
No, I wanted to make sure that this is still a thing, so I looked up Terraria duck, and what is it? The first picture is the duck with really long human legs.
I don't want to waste silver on a silver helmet to just replace my top hat, but the silver helmet looks so freaking cool.
Goodbye, Shipton.
Do I want a War Axe of the Night?
Well, it's just an axe, so
But it does more damage than the katana.
I recommend getting the Light's Bane.
But that does less damage than the katana.
Yeah, but it's what's the speed
Very
on it?
fast.
Yeah, katana's just fast.
But my katana also has 20 plus 21 damage. And shitty knockback. Okay, I can see what you're saying.
In addition, the Light's Bane is one of the 4 swords you need to craft the strongest pre-hard mode sword.
Alright, just made it.
Cool.
Alright.
Does it have a modifier on it?
No.
So we've still got to get you to full health. and I'm probably gonna go to the left to go find a new cave in a minute.
I'll just use the... I'll only try and use the random potion.
Okay.
After I sell my katana.
The duck isn't making any more voice lines.
And let me place back all of my extremely expensive equipment, or expensive things that I have on me. Oh wait, no, this is Terraria, you can't lose this. However, let me just put stuff away. Get rid of the lead, and the platinum, and the tin, and the diamond, demonite, lead, more lead, demonite, platinum, silver, tin, silver, amethyst, emeralds, and I think that's it. And I have a spare campfire.
I don't know why. Oh, it's a duck with Waluigi's legs. That's really interesting.
Alright, I'm going to stop the recording here. In the next episode, we could start the thing. Or actually, no, let me sell my wooden bow of bullshittery. The only bow... Zealous wooden bow... Okay, sorry. Nimble demon bow, +4 speed? Yes. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm distracted. Alright, ending the episode. Alright, thanks everybody for watching, even though I know no one actually did, except for me, Will, and possibly that one random guy. Nice to meet you. Alright, cool.